Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to create a magical portal effect in your photos using just Canva? First, click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels for this tutorial, and proceed to set up your new project accordingly. Next, open the Elements tab and enter Photo in the search bar. Browse through the available images and select the one you want. Click on the photo to add it to your project. Adjust its size and position as needed to fit your design perfectly. Select one of these photos from the gallery to proceed with your project. Select the desired item, then click Edit. Choose Magic Expand, followed by Full Page Template Expand. This will extend your content seamlessly across the entire page, enhancing visual flow. Use these tools to quickly enlarge sections without losing quality or layout integrity. This method is ideal for adding details or adjusting design elements fluidly. Remember, Magic Expand simplifies the resizing process for full-page adjustments efficiently. Select the first image you want to include. Next, choose the second image by clicking on it. Once both images are selected, locate and click the Done button to confirm your choices. This adds the selected images to your project or gallery, depending on your current task. Be sure both images are highlighted before proceeding. If you need to change your selection, you can click on the images again to deselect them. After confirming, you can continue with the next steps in your editing or organizing process. First, type Portal to add a portal element. Locate the frame you want to link to and select it. Next, choose the circular tool to create the portal shape. Position the circular portal within your design by dragging it into place. Adjust the size by expanding or contracting the circle to fit your intended area. Once positioned correctly, connect the portal to the selected frame to enable navigation. Confirm the link is working by testing the portal interaction. Make any necessary adjustments to the portal size or position for optimal user experience. This completes adding a portal that links seamlessly to another frame in your project. First, focus on the spine section. Click Edit to access the settings. Next, select the BT Generator option. Now we'll change the background to a night theme. Choose night and click Generate to apply it. After generating, browse through the available selections. Pick the one that best fits your project. This process will update your background seamlessly. Confirm the changes to proceed. You can always revert or modify the background later if needed. Remember to save your work frequently to avoid losing changes. This simple method helps enhance your visuals quickly. Adjust settings as necessary to achieve the desired effect. The BT Generator offers a variety of backgrounds for customization. First, select the object you want to place before positioning it here. Next, locate the portal tool. Begin by clicking Add, then choose Place. Now find your device, in this case the iPad, and select it. Currently, there are no moves available for this object. To proceed, return to the Add menu, then select Element. From the Element options, choose Portal. This will insert a portal element into your workspace. Once the portal is added, you can position it as needed within the scene. Use the controls to adjust the placement and scale of the portal element to fit your design requirements. Confirm the placement by clicking Apply or the equivalent confirmation button. After setting the portal, you can interact with it or link it to other. Next, locate the Graphics tab. Select the desired graphic and click to center it on the canvas. Ensure it aligns perfectly by using the center alignment tools. Adjust if necessary until the graphic is positioned exactly in the middle. This creates a balanced, professional design for your project. First, click on the Layers panel and select the two elements you want to group. Next, group these elements to manage them easily as a single unit. After grouping, return to the positioning tool to adjust their placement on the canvas. Now add another image by dragging it onto your workspace or by selecting it from your files. Once the image is added, duplicate it by using the duplicate command or keyboard shortcut. Position the duplicated image above the original, aligning it carefully to create the desired layout. With your images arranged, it's time to remove the background from the new image. Select the image and activate the background remover tool. The software will automatically detect and eliminate the background, isolating the main subject. Now let's review the final product. You can reposition the image as needed. Next, adjust the temperature by moving the slider to warm or cool the colors. Then, decrease the brightness to make the image darker or increase it to brighten the scene. After that, increase the contrast to enhance the difference between light and dark areas. These adjustments refine the image's overall look. Once you're satisfied with the edits, you can enlarge the image size for better visibility. Use the resize tool to scale the image up or down smoothly. The final product reflects your chosen position and adjustments, showcasing improved color balance and contrast. This completes the editing process, giving you fairment with the. Now you know how to create a magic portal in Canva-like. And subscribe for more cool design tricks.